If you're looking for the biggest Bluehost discount available right now, this is the deal you want to use. Right now, I have a Bluehost offer that gets you up to 78% off hosting, plus a free domain name, and access to exclusive discounted pricing. But here's the important part. You only get this full discount when you use the special link in the description below. Quick disclosure, that link is an affiliate link, which means I may earn a commission at no extra cost to you. You'll still get the lowest Bluehost pricing available. Now let me show you exactly how to claim it step by step. Go down to the description and click the Bluehost discount link. Once you click it, you'll land on the Bluehost exclusive offer page. Click Get Started. Now this is where most people get confused, so let me explain it clearly. Bluehost offers different pricing depending on the term length you choose: 4-year, 3-year, 2-year, 1-year, monthly. If you want the absolute lowest monthly price, choose the 3-year or 4-year term. That's where you get the biggest discount, up to 78% off. Also important, you get a free domain name on annual terms, 1 year and above. If you choose monthly billing, you do not get a free domain. So if you're serious about building a website and want to save the most money long term, the 3-year or 4-year option is usually the best value. Bluehost currently offers 3 main shared hosting plans: Personal Plan, 1 website, 1 GB NVMe Storage, best for a single small website. Starter Plan, 10 websites, 10 GB NVMe Storage, great for small businesses or multiple sites. Business Plan, 50 websites, 50 GB NVMe Storage, free domain privacy for the first year. If you're just starting out, most beginners choose either the Personal or Starter Plan. After choosing your plan, then you can create a new domain, free on annual plans, or connect a domain you already own. Next, choose your term length. If you use the link in the description, it will already be applied automatically. Complete checkout, and that's it. Just keep in mind, Bluehost pricing can change at any time. These high percentage discounts are promotional. If you see the 78% off available through the link below, I recommend locking it in before it changes. If you want the biggest Bluehost discount available right now, click the link in the description. You get up to 78% off, a free domain name on annual plans, and the lowest pricing available. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more hosting deals and step-by-step website tutorials. And I'll see you in the next one.